We have a Surface Pro 4, and the screen's cracked up. Let's fix it up. First things first, apply some heat. Now we can wedge a jimmy tool in, and then stick a guitar pick pry tool, and we'll just go along the edges, cutting any glue. As I heat up the screen, you can see there's a dark void starting to appear. Now that the heat's removed, it goes away. It doesn't actually damage the display though, unless you leave it on for too long. We're gonna add some tape to the really cracked areas so I don't get glass everywhere. We have the screen removed. We have to disconnect those two flex cables. You kinda just have to pop these shields off first. There we go. Disconnect the second flex cable. There we go. So we got the screen off, but I noticed a bit of a problem. It looks like the Wi-Fi antenna ripped. So I gotta wait till another one comes, and then we'll reinstall the new screen. And we're back. So I got the new Wi-Fi antenna, let's install it. Unscrew, remove the old antenna, and place the new one. Now we have to clean up the glue and the glass around the edges. The glue's all gone. It's time to transfer some of the parts from the old screen to the new one. We have to take this metal shield off, and we can remove this flex cable. We'll do the same thing to the other side. This little board is called the LCD board, and we have to transfer it over to the new screen as well. Let me know what you guys think about this kind of style video. It's just a lot easier for me to make. And we'll just gently pry this out. Reinsert the cables. And now it's time to test the new display. Hopefully this works. And it looks like it's working. And we'll just run it through some tests. So the screen is defective in this area here, so I have to get another one. I finally got another one. It's been like a month. And it's actually working properly. Let's install it. And we're done. Good as new.
That was easy.